Take a moment and dream of waking up each morning excited about the business you've built from scratch. If you've ever dreamed of being your own boss, or turning your passion into a profitable venture, you're in the perfect place. In today's video, we're diving into the world of modern entrepreneurship, where creativity meets opportunity. We'll explore several innovative business models that are reshaping today's digital economy. You will want to stay tuned. You won't want to miss the final business idea. If you're ready to be inspired and take the first step towards your business dreams, let's get started. Think about it. There's a gap in the market waiting for someone like you to fill it. A successful online marketplace is about connecting buyers and sellers in a unique way, often within a niche that's been overlooked. This could be anything from handmade goods to specialized services. Find that niche, something that's in demand but with little competition. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make it simple to create your own marketplace with all the tools you need. Inventory management, payment processing, and a seamless shopping experience. Once you're set up, marketing is key. Engage potential buyers and sellers with targeted social media campaigns, influencer partnerships. Ever wanted to surprise and delight people? That's what subscription boxes are all about. Curating an experience delivered right to someone's doorstep. Whether it's fitness gear, gourmet snacks, or unique hobbies, your theme should be both exciting and in demand. What makes your subscription box stand out? Maybe it's eco-friendly packaging or locally sourced products. Whatever it is, lean into that unique selling point. To spread the word, leverage visually engaging social media content and influencer unboxings. Building a buzz will keep subscribers eager to see what you'll deliver next month. Modern businesses thrive not just on customers, but on communities. Picture a group of loyal fans who not only buy from you, but actively share and support your brand. This isn't just about selling. It's about creating a space where like-minded individuals connect. Social media is a powerful tool here. Use it to share stories, answer questions, and build that sense of belonging. Valuable content, whether it's videos, blog posts, or infographics, will position you as a trusted resource. Host webinars or events to engage your audience directly and strengthen those connections. Imagine running an online store without the hassle of managing inventory. That's the beauty of dropshipping. You focus on marketing and customer service, while a reliable supplier handles storage and shipping. Start by partnering with trustworthy suppliers on platforms like AliExpress. Create an appealing online storefront using Shopify or BigCommerce, ensuring it's user-friendly and visually engaging. Effective marketing is crucial. Use social media ads and email campaigns to attract your target audience and convert visitors into loyal customers. Launching an e-commerce store is the ultimate opportunity for creative entrepreneurs. Choose a product category that fires you up and aligns with market trends. A well-designed website with easy navigation, high-quality images, and compelling descriptions is a must. Offering multiple secure payment options and reliable shipping is key to building trust with customers and keeping them coming back. The world of online business is full of potential, and now it's your turn to explore these ideas and decide which path best aligns with your vision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Let's empower each other to make those business dreams a reality. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create.